reach end the truck. Got depth filled up. Got diesel. Now we're going to be coming around the columns here, so that way we can get lined up under the chute, so we can get loaded for our first job. So the green light means we're loaded, ready to go. So let's back up, get out of the chute. And go clean our truck up. We got to get rid of the stuff in the mirror. Alright, so lower the chute. That way we can get all the junk out of it. Parking brake on. Gotta wind the truck up so that way the concrete can keep mixing. Let's go clean the truck up. So we gotta get the concrete out of the hopper here. Clean up the fins. Get the concrete out of the chute. Alright. Let's go get the windows cleaned up. Make sure there's no rocks on the top of the cab. All right. So now we got to get the acid residue and the chunks of concrete that have acquired or accumulated on the truck. Helps it get it off the windows. Mirrors, lights. You can see, like all of that, acid takes it right off. Not gonna do too much here. It took a little bit to get going this morning. Dude, late nighter tonight. There it is. All right. I have to get this thing figured out. It's kind of I don't really like how crooked this thing gets. Alright. Get the chute folded back up. Mark down our time for when we left the plant, which is 7:47. Windows cleaned, everything ready to go. Let's pull out. Alright. Let's see if this thing can overcome the sound of the fan. So this train crossing, we have to actually start making sure that we slow down and stop, because you can see there's a drum over there. One of our trucks actually just recently got hit by a train. So just make sure we're good, nothing coming. All right, we're good. So we're stuck in traffic, and I thought you'd find this amusing. I think homeboy here has the wrong vehicle. He's got a lawnmower, a pushing lawnmower, full size, in the back of his Camry. Alright. I don't know about you, but it sounds pretty legit to me. So now that I've officially gone full trucker, I got my Fillmore cup. My whole life on the road, I did not have one of these. And it's a little one. My cup holder isn't the right size. You can see it doesn't quite fit. But that's okay. That's okay. We adapt and overcome. It's what we do. So we're gonna go through some pretty nice neighborhoods to get to this job. So should be very pleasant. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully the GoPro is recording my voice over the noise. We have El Superfan. The window's wide open because it's actually kind of a nice day out here today. And I don't know. Just keep cracking on it.
No, it's just messing with me.
Alright, we're going through the Bellmead neighborhood. This is kind of what the houses look like here. Very, 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 very nice houses here. Like, look at this. It's a bloody house. I mean, freaking, it's just incredible. I mean, there is money in Tennessee. Big money. I mean, this is one of my favorite neighborhoods to pour in because these houses are just unbelievable. And there's even better than this. I mean, big magnolia trees. Look at that. I mean, you want to sit and think about your stereotypical southern plantation homes where you have like the big columns, horseshoe driveways, big farm behind the house. That's this neighborhood here. But of course now it's all kind of turned into country music stars and football players and doctors and all that. All right, let's get ourselves into making a left on Pine Boulevard here. Harpeth Hills Drive. That's going to be 3 intersections from here. Look at that! Look at that house. I mean, just incredible. Carpet Hills. Let's see, hopefully we're going to be loading into a pump. That'll be easier. Pumps are the easiest things to pump into, because all you do is just roll up, park it, and unload slowly, and don't overload. Yep, we're unloading into a pump. Oh, up so. So we're gonna be backing up behind him. Alright, so looks like we're going to be getting behind trucks, so we'll get to hang out here. So this is where the cool kids are hanging out, huh?
No, I'm taking the shade, man.
You know what? You're a pretty smart man. You better be careful with that kind of thinking. That'll get you in trouble. So how long have you been sitting here?
Oh, about 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Dang it! You're just dragging ass around here. All right, sometimes when I get places like this, they have, we've been sitting around for like an hour before they actually get us, so I'm glad that he's only been here for a few minutes. All right, let's back this up. And all right, let's get this thing parked. All right, now we're lined up. Note our time, 8:26 arrived at the job site. All right, now let's get a tour of the truck. All right, so here's my truck. I drive a 2000, I think it's a 17 Terex FD4000 front-loading concrete mixer. Interesting layout, because since it's a front loader, I have a single person cab that sits right in the middle of the truck. So you can see it's a 6-wheel drive vehicle with, I believe, a 35,000 pound rated front axle. We have the water tank, which is pressurized. The hopper feeds in, loads up the drum. Axle, 72, it's a 74,000 pound rated truck. The engine, which as you can see, sits way behind the rear axle, which makes it very interesting to maneuver around. So it's an MTU branded engine, but it's actually just this engine's actually a DD15 Detroit diesel, but because of internal politics, Detroit doesn't actually want to put their name or support off-road vehicles like this one. So see, that's kind of how it looks underneath. Got a branch in the way. All right. Pulling in. Gotta put a lot of water in this thing because this load is dry. Didn't put enough in here for a pump. All right, so okay, so means he wants it on an 8, meaning that it's got 8 inches of slope.
Oh, just put him there right there.
You got it, dude. And you want it on an 8, right? 8?
By 8, yeah.